You will love the features of this 2014 Ford Explorer. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an Explorer that brings an uncompromising spirit to all your adventures. Behind its commanding stance, you'll find a refined, comfortable driving experience, available options that let you customize technology and capabilities, and rugged midsize SUV versatility. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, rear AC, alarm, power driver seat. Don't miss the chance to drive home in this handsome and versatile Explorer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.